Hello everyone. Today we were going to study about what is government and how the government run. Okay? So government is an institution that make the law for a country, and basically it takes the political decision of a country that how the country will run. Okay? When it comes to so today now we will going forward and we were going to learn the level of government. If we talk about the level of government, so there are three level of government we have. The, the first level of government is the central level of government. The second one is state level of government, and the third one is local self government. Each the level has their each the level has their separate significance. When it comes to central level of government, it deals with national issues like security of a country, like maintenance of army, and basically manage the international trade rules, international relations with another countries also. Next, we going to state level of government. What is the meaning of state level of government? It's when we going to learn about state level of government. Basically, the state level of government, it's a level of government which take decision only on the regional basis. Okay, it can take decision for state level, and when it comes to local self government, it's a level of government by which the local issues have been deal in it. For example, the panchayat raj system and the MCD also. Okay, now we will going to moving forward with the organs of government. What are the organs? And we can also move forward to the branches of government. So basically, three branches of government we have: legislative, executive, and judicial. What is the meaning of legislative? Legislative has a role to enforce the law, to make a law, how the country run. Okay, these laws basically explain that how will country function. Okay, now we were going to move forward with second branch of the government, that is executive. The legislature has already made the law, and those laws has been implemented in the execution level, right? When we comes to example of execution, the example of execution is like council of ministers. They were responsible to implement those law in a practical manner. Okay, now we were going to forward with the third branch of government, that is judiciary. What is the main function of judiciary? Basically, judiciary is an institution which gonna serve the country justice, right? It gives basically it reduce the tension between the above two branches of the government. That's legislature and executive. Okay, thank you so much.